guys, today I'll be showing you how to do animation. Yes, I've actually been doing a lot of animating in quite a while now, since I was a tiny boy. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'll show you a bit of the animation I've started. Yeah, it's a bit bad, but when it starts getting moving, you can kind of get that cool rhythm. So yeah, you have to have a Windows or a Mac PC to go on Microsoft Paint, and then you can start drawing like I have. Draw a little guy, then you've got all the equipment to do with that. And I've created step-by-step frames of the guy, and now since I finished that one, I'm going to slowly move it again. So watch what I do. I erase the part and then move it slightly. So I have to get that perfect. That wasn't too perfect, but I'm going to put the arm there. And I'm going to just put that down a teensy bit. And I'm going to frame it like that. And then you keep repeating that, but you click File, Save As. Then you do your thing. So I called it Man 3. So then I'm going to do Man 4. Save. Then that's the Man 4. So I'll put the picture on there. And now, simply, you go to Movie Maker. And then you go straight to your files. So it'll log straight up. And you hold, drag, then you put it onto the Movie Maker, go up, put it there. There you have it. So you double click that and it shows up with the top part, so I'll quickly show you that. Up here is the part, double click that, then do 0.10, add, start it from the start, play. Quite cool, isn't it? So it's like he's gonna wiggle. So now we're gonna make his body start moving, and then you just keep repeating that progress. I hope you learned something about animating today, and I'll see you all later. Bye!